And I stack on my money up, shit to me. Guys, they slap boxes, bro. Dang, Green. Throw them hands, bro. But they throwing them freaking hands. Then Green jump over him. Green jump back. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thanks. Then Green. Look at guys, look. We're gonna do a 1v1 with everybody. Look at them. Oh, let's see who go in. Dang, Green on him. Green on him. Yellow got him off of him. Yellow wanna fight. You know what happened? Somebody's leg got the break. Dang, Green lost his leg. Yellow's still going at him. Oh, Green about to lose his hand. Yeah, look at Green. Ooh, Green, don't. Look at Green. He's coming up sneakily. Yellow backing up. Yellow backing up, keeping the square. Ooh, Yellow want to throw them hands now. Yellow coming in. Oh, Green coming out. Oh, Green. Green, get that man down. Oh, Green got him. Oh, Green. Guys, bye. Bye, guys. You got this, Jason. Yeah, we are vulnerable, Jason. Come on, Deadpool. Yeah, I got this. He's nothing but a piece of cake. Getting ready and shape. Come on, Deadpool, you got this. We all believe in you. If you lose Deadpool, trust me, we're killing them all. No, if you kill them all, we're calling the cops. Michael Myers, you know what to do. Ow. Yeah, Michael Myers. Yeah. Oh, yo, but you got this. I know. Ding, ding, ding. Ah! Yeah. Come on, bro. You don't want to smoke? Come on. Ow. This fight boring, bro. Jason, keep your hands up. Talk about the fight boring. You can't fight me. The heck did you say to me, boy? What did you just say to me? Huh? I'm voting for you. Let's get this man. You don't talk to me like that, boy. Nobody does Jason like that. And you will turn on Jason team side. No. Come on, get him, Deadpool. He's on top of you. Get him. Get him, Deadpool. Deadpool, get him. Jason is knocking the brakes out of you.
Everything before I give everything back.
Yeah, Deadpool, get him. Get him, Deadpool. Deadpool, get him. Deadpool, you are the mess. You are the mess. Deadpool, get him. Deadpool, get him. I defeated him. More food for me. So, what's your name? Tell me something about yourself. Hey, yeah, tell me something about yourself because you're not supposed to be here with your big stick. Starting to vote for Deadpool. Ah! Ah! Oh. Help me. This is how I eat. Damn. Would you like to be my pet? Yeah. I'm not, hey, Viking, I'm not friends with you no more. What? I'm gonna pay the price now. And I'm finna give the price to your little doggy. Little. Never little. I was always big. Get him, Petty. Right now. You pick him over me? Okay, I'll stay back. You better stay back. I'll bite your head off. You know what? I'll watch a little thing sit down. Look, you little thing. What you gonna do? I'll stand right here and you won't do nothing. Stay away. I'm closer to you. pet next. Michael Myers hunting. Hunting prey. Oh! Dinner time, go ahead and eat. No, you go first. No, you go first. No, you go. Pet, back off real quick. I'm gonna make them fight to see who get to be eaten first. Okay, we're gonna fight. See whoever falls down first. And y'all can, and we can use, he said nope, he said nothing about rules. Calm down. Yeah, he said nothing about rules. And I don't want to die. And I never like to die. Wait, that's not fair. It's not fair. Oh no! Oh, what the heck don't you? Oh no, bro. Since you shot you, Pat, eat him. I was gonna let him out. Wait, I didn't know that you was gonna eat me next. Oh, dang, you got bigger and tougher. Now what are you here for? I would like to ask for my plates back and my pet back. Nope. This is what happens if you don't give my pet back. This is what happens if you hit me. What? No, please. No, please. How am I going to get back up now? Pet, get him. I'm not gonna lie, I do want this pet. Pet? Yeah, no. I hate you. Finish him off, pet. Pet, since you're not that big, you can come up here. Oh, okay, pet. I know you hungry, pet. Pet, I know you hungry. That's why I got some delicious foods. Hey, we're not food. Stop spawning us. And plus, what is this thing? Gonna eat us? Oh, not again. Gotta get eat first. You got eaten by the red thing. Now you want. Hey, bro, what you want? Oh. Cat, finish your job right now. I really want them dead. What are you gonna do, huh? Cause it's basically. Oh, now I know. I remember from last time what we have to do. You're gonna fight each other from the death? Or are you gonna not fight each other? Pet, you know what to do. Get the one that has stumped you. Got some more food for you. Man, quit spawning us. You know what? I had enough of this. Since you keep spawning us, I was thinking. See that key right there? Can I grab it? Go ahead, and then you'll be eating. Okay. Alright, I can turn around with it. Yeah, go ahead. Come on down here. Stop pulling me. Come on down here. Come on down here. Yeah. Ooh. Now you go down there and die. Pet, go up there. Your pet can go up here? Yo, how you think I let him up here the first time? Yo, listen here. Don't attack me, okay? Let me just have my relax. More. Like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, he woke up and went back in.